Now imagine in SchoolCity that you have created your assessment and you want to give it bubble sheet style. So the kids can fill in the bubble sheet and then you'll scan it. Once you've created the assessment, how do you print those sheets? Well, let me show you. So since you've already created the assessment, you're going to go into Assessments. And here, find the assessment that you want to give, whichever one it is. Remember, you can sort it up here as this list gets too long. So let's say I want to give this one. Over here on the right side, you'll see a printer. Remember, you can hover over and it'll show you what it is, but this one, nicely enough, looks like a printer. If it's gray, that means either that you chose some items that can only be given online, item types, for example, XCR, to have the computer grade those, they have to be given online. So that's one possibility. But more likely, you, if it's grayed out, you forgot to publish it. So you have to make sure your test is published first, and then you're going to click on Print. Now you've got two options. SchoolCity is the one if you want to do a PDF scan. That would be like if you want to use a copy machine or something like that to make a lot of copies really fast. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, or I think most people will want to choose GradeCam and not SchoolCity. So pick GradeCam and then pick the students that you want. These are drop-down menus, so if you want to select just one class, you can do that, or one student if you want to drill it down to that level. I'm going to choose one class here. Now I have two choices coming down here to the bottom right. I can print a generic bubble sheet, and that won't have their student number in it. That gives me the advantage of I can pass a copy of the same paper out to every single kid. But it has the disadvantage of the kids are gonna put their student numbers in wrong. When I used to use GradeCam, I would often get students who would fill in their student ID either incorrectly, they would actually put the wrong student ID, or they would try to put two different numbers on the same line. So for me, it was worth it to print the pre-made answer sheets and then figure out how to hand them out. So you see here, if I'm handing it out, this would be the student's name. I only have test students right now. So it gives their name right there where you can read it. But this identifier down here is also their name, so the computer can read it. And then you could just click print and print them all out, hand them out to the kids. Now when it's time to scan it, after you've given the assessment, I'm going to go back to my Launchpad and click on Score. Then I can scan it using a document camera, select the test I wanna scan. Now I don't have a camera plugged in right now, so it's not gonna allow me to do it. But it will open up my camera right there. If I've got issues, I can click on the webcam and work on it that way. Oh, hey, there's me. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So as you scan it, it will appear in this box, and then click on Upload Results. And that will get your data into SchoolCity for you.